Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HONOR X8a and let me share with you how to set the camera timer on this device. So let's start with opening your camera app. Let's switch to the photo mode because as you can see currently we are in the video one, so let's tap on it. And now just enter the settings in the right upper corner. As you can see in this general section we've got the timer, so let's tap. And in this device we've got 4 different options, so off, 2, 5 and 10 seconds delay. Let me tap on 10 seconds delay, it will be immediately applied. So now we can go back to the camera and check. Let's tap on the shutter button and as you can see from now on your device will count down from 10, 3 or 5 depending on which option you've chosen, and after that time it will take a photo. Okay, so this is how it works. Of course you can turn it off the same way, so the settings, timer, and tap on off, and from now on your device will take photos right after touching the shutter button. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.